Hello, everybody. This is Deb, the Forex coach, and today I'm going to teach you how to work on higher time frame and which time frame is good for us and which time can give us a lot of tips. So first of all, there's only one method of profitable in this Forex is price action. Price action means trading on higher time frames like 4 hour and daily candlestick, daily time frames. Like in small time frames, if you open 1 minute chart, there is so much noise. After every minute, a new candle forms. So that is not good. So if you go to 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, a new candle forms. So in small time frames, there's a lot of noise. You will see a lot of reversal candles, which will be a trap. So if you want to be successful, so you need to be look after the higher time frames like 4 hour and D1. 4 hour is a good time frame with a combination of daily and with both are combined, it will be called as multi time frames, and which you can give a lot of good entries every day. And this is a consistent method. If you look out small time frames, it's hard to make money following out the small time frames. If you see this is Euro USD and this is trend line. You know that how to draw trend line. You need to draw trend line from the high. This was the high market made, and then you look out for the another test. You can basically draw like this, but by this you will cut the level. So I will go about this. Yeah, because these are highs as well. So this is the high, this is the low, this is the high. Again, it's a high, then it's a low, then we have a breakout, a solid breakout, and it started to go up. So basically, this is how, with the higher time frames, you can trade and make most of the money. So right now, Euro USD, this is the next resistance, and you can consider it as well because it's the high as well, the previous high, and little bit can here as well. And this was the area, this was the support, and this was another support. I am drawing because I'm very experienced in drawing support and resistance levels because I have been trading for last 5 years. If you want to make sure that your level is correct or not, go back in the past. You need 2 and 3 touches to make a level strong. See this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and this area 1 2 time it was a rejection out there. Right now this is the next resistance. It's looking solid bullish. Okay, make me here because I see a lot of rejection from this level, and this can be a fake breakout also and a retest of trend line. Okay, so this is how you can do. When you can zoom out, you will see the complete picture. But if you go to the 15-minute chart, you cannot analyze like this. There will be a lot of traps, reversals. You cannot see the complete picture. That is why we focus as a price action trader. You have to look out 4 hour or daily or both. If you go look out both, that will be very good. If you see this in the daily chart, come to the breakout and then it goes strong bullish, and you can make a lot of pips. In 15-minute chart, in 5-minute chart, you will risk a lot of money, but your gain will be very, very less. So that is why we traders focused on trading the higher time frames, which can give us a clear picture, a better picture. Okay, this is about Euro USD. Go back to the pound USD. Okay, so this is trading view. Okay, I'm your mentor. Right now, I'll clean all the chart. So this is pound USD. It's falling hard. You can go to the daily chart and look at how what happens. And USD is really weak this week because of US economy by the coronavirus has been badly affected, and Oh, the whole world is affected by coronavirus. Like this, you draw your levels one, two, one, two. This was the low, and right now this can be a next one out there. Okay. So basically, now after drawing the levels, go to the 4 hour, and now you zoom in. You can see this. How there was a descending channel out there. The market was falling with the help of this descending channel. It's a very choppy price action. You can work out with support and resistance. Like this area was also supported few times. One, two, this was a breakout with a solid pin bar, bullish pin bar, and went up high. This is the resistance. Okay, so price can retest this area before going more higher and to make next lows, because always market travels in uptrend. It makes highs and it makes lows and highs in uptrend. And in sale trend, market makes highs and lows. So that is how it goes. This was the high, this was the low, now this is the high. So it can basically test this trend line to make another low, and it went up high again. Okay. So if it breaks out this trend line, we can sell it, because this trend line is used to catch the trend. Trend line is a good tool to catch the trend. What's the trend in the market? So this is pound USD, lookout USD JPY. This is very beautiful setup. I said send this week, and if you see this, there was this pattern running out there. Market was in this consolidation range, and finally we have a breakout, and it falls hard. And there's also this trend line is there in the market. Okay, so it basically break out this and a breakout of trend line of descending ascending channels as well, and it's falling hard. We can draw all our levels to see our direction, and right now it can be the our next support is very 1.05287 is next support, and if it breaks this level, then it can go towards 1.3615, and it can go towards this. But we will trade levels to levels, from here to here, from here to here, breakout in here. Market will not drop in a day. Market will make highs and lows, lows and highs. Then that's how it goes in the forex market. That's not happen that market will reach this place, this target in a day. No, it will take some days, and it will create highs and lows, and that is how it goes. So we use trend line to identify the trend. Trend line is a good tool, and we need to draw our levels correctly. So that is why higher time frames like 4 hour and D1 is good. Small time frames, a lot of noise. You can use for some scalping, but there's a lot of risk involved in scalping. So if you want to be a consistent profitable, you need to go out the higher time frames like 4 hour and D1 with the help of support and resistance, with the help of candlesticks. We can this candle was the bearish thin bar, and it rejected from 102 level, and the bullish trend started. And you can see a single candle has reversed the trend and made the new highs. So that is how it works. All these candles like pin bar, hammer, bullish and bearish engulfings are very good, and there are strategies to trade them as well. I will share later if you want to learn more from me. So you can get my mentorship. I also give signals if you want my signals. And thank you. This is a short video. I hope there's something education for you guys. Thank you.